Hello guys, welcome to TechBuzz. So I'm back with another tutorial video for iPhone. If you are an iPhone user, there may be times when you have faced some of the software related issues like the phone stuck into recovery mode with Connect to PC logo, or the phone stuck on Apple logo after update or boot loop, resulting in phone not able to boot up. And when you connect your phone to PC, iTunes shows error 4013 or similar kind of error, and the only solution to boot up your iPhone is to restore your phone, which results in loss of data. But it's possible to repair all these issues without data loss using TunesKit iOS System Recovery app. TunesKit iOS System Recovery app is the one-stop solution for more than 50 plus iOS, iPadOS and tvOS related problems. It's available for both Windows and Mac PC. The link of the app is mentioned in the description below. You can check the details from the link. Although this app is not free, but it's worth of every penny, as you can use TunesKit iOS System Recovery app to repair most of the software related issues like exit recovery mode with just one click, or device stuck on Apple logo boot loop, phone stuck on Connect to iTunes screen, black screen, blue screen, password forgotten, iPhone disabled or bricked, and many more, which may result due to corrupt firmware or error while updating your phone. It supports iPhone, iPad, iPod and Apple TV. So as you can see, my phone is stuck into recovery mode with this sign of Connect to PC logo. So I have connected my iPhone to PC, and all you have to do is click exit recovery mode. The app will start its work, and in a matter of few seconds your phone will be back to home screen. So the phone has booted up and all my data is intact. So with TunesKit iOS System Recovery, it's possible to exit recovery mode with just one click, and that too without data loss. But what if this doesn't work and your phone is still stuck into recovery mode or stuck on Apple logo or boot loop? So if that is the case, we will connect our iPhone to PC and go to iOS repair. From the list, you can select whichever issue you are facing. Since my phone is showing Connect to PC, I'll select iPhone stuck on Connect to iTunes. So there are two modes. First is the standard mode, which will solve most of the software related issues without wiping your data. And the second one is the advanced mode, which will wipe all the data on your smartphone, but will surely bring your phone back to working condition. But there are only 10% chances that you may need this method, as standard mode solves most of the issues. So I will use this one. So here it shows my iPhone is connected now, which is iPhone 8. You can confirm your model number and the latest firmware which is available for your iPhone. You can either download the firmware yourself by copying the link from here, or locate the downloaded firmware if you have downloaded it already. I want the app to download the firmware for me automatically, so I will click download. So the download process has started. Since it's a huge file, it may take some time depending on your internet connection speed. Now the app will verify the downloaded firmware. So the firmware has been verified, and now you can start the repair process by clicking repair. The app will start unpacking the firmware, and after that the repair procedure will start automatically. So you don't need to do anything. Just sit back and relax, and don't touch or disconnect your phone until you get a repair completed message. This procedure may take 10 to 15 minutes. So the standard repair has completed and the phone is booting up now. So the phone has finally booted up after the 15-minute repair process, and as you can see, all my apps and data is still intact, like photos, messages, call logs, WhatsApp chats, everything is there, and it was possible only with TunesKit iOS System Recovery app. But if the standard mode fails for you, you can use the advanced mode. All the steps in the advanced mode are similar, but the only difference is that advanced mode will wipe your data. But as I said earlier, there are only 10% chances that you may need to use this advanced mode. So that was all about TunesKit iOS System Recovery app, which can be really helpful to get out of some really tricky situations on your iPhone. You can download the app from the TunesKit iOS System Recovery site. The link is mentioned in the description below. You can either buy a monthly, yearly or lifetime license as per your need. If you have any doubts regarding the TunesKit iOS System Recovery app, you can ask me in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button. Also don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get updates on the new video uploads. Also follow me on Instagram on techbuzz.insta page and techbuzz Facebook page.